Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kundini Nilavde. I have started the revision of money. Okay, so I am talking about the example of profit and loss. So about the profit, right? I have taken a pen of 10 rupees. So 10 rupee is the cost price. I have purchased it. Okay, then selling price. So I have sold it for 12 rupees. Okay, so 12 rupees is the selling price and 10 rupees the cost price. So 12 minus 10 I get 2 rupees. So 2 rupees is a profit. Clear? So what is the formula for profit? Selling price minus cost price. Say with me, what is the formula for profit? Selling price minus cost price. Now sometimes what happens, we sell the things with low price, as there may be damage or certain years happen. So it is the cost price is less. Cost price is greater than selling price. So at that time there is a loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Get it? So what is formula for loss? Cost price minus selling price. So I will discuss the second example. Mr. Sharma bought an old house of 12 lakh 26,000. He sold it for 13 lakh 52,000 after spending 75 on repairs. What is his profit? First of all, read the example. Whenever there is story sum, we have to read the example. Second thing, you have to write down the things that has given. Okay, so which things here are given? So the Mr. Sharma brought an house. So what is this price? This is the cost price. But what is the money spending on repairs? That is the overhead charging, whatever repairing, painting, then for extra expenditure, that is the overhead charges. Okay, so this overhead charges we have to add in a cost price, so that we get real cost price. Okay, so real cost price is equal to 12 lakh 26,000 plus 75,000. We get the cost price. So what is the cost price? 31 lakh 1,000. Get it? Now selling price. So selling price at which it sell? 13 lakh 52,000. That is 30. This is the selling price, 13 lakh 52,000. So 13 lakh 52,000 minus 13 lakh 1,000, we get 51 lakh. So what is this? It is definitely profit, because selling price is greater. Got it? Next thing, so see exercise 10.2. If you have given the cost price and selling price and ask you to find out profit or loss. So first of all you have to think which price is greater. If selling price is greater, there should be profit. If cost price is greater, there may be loss. So see here, cost price is 144 and selling price is 168. So which is greater? Selling price na? So 168 minus 144, we get 22. So 22 is the profit. Get it? Next thing, cost price is 172 and selling price is 156. So tell me which price is greater? Cost price. So it is loss. So cost price minus selling price, we get 172 minus 156, we get 16 rupees loss. Next thing, cost price is 249 and selling price is 245. Overhead charges is 15. So just before 5 minutes I have asked you, when there is overhead charges are given, extra money spent, or money spent on painting, expenditure, whatever it may be, these we have to add in cost price. Then we get real cost price. Okay. So what is the total cost price? Cost price 249 plus 15, we get 264. Then selling price, what is the selling price? 245. Okay. Now what is the cost price? 264. What is the selling price? 245. So which is greater? Cost price na? So it is loss. So loss is equal to 264 minus 245. We get 90 rupees. Get it? Next. If we want to count the selling price, so see here cost price is given. I am explaining second example. Okay. So cost price is given, it is 244, and loss is given. What is the loss? 14 rupees. So which formula we know? Cost price is equal to selling price, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So which things we know? We know loss. How much it is? 14. What is cost price? 244. Selling price? We don't know. We have to find out. So what we have to do? We have to write selling price as it is, and we have to shift this 14 on the right side. So it may be minus. So 244 minus 14 we get 230. Get it? Next thing. Cost price 415 and overhead charges are 85. So profit is 21. So once again here is overhead charges are given. So we have to calculate total cost price, that is 415 plus 85, we get 500. Now profit is 21, selling price we don't know, and here cost price is 500. So here is profit. So what is our formula for profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price we don't know, cost price minus 15, take here it is 500 plus 21, it is 521. Get it? Next thing. Find the cost price. So let's see the third one. Selling price is 176, loss is 14 rupees. Now what is the formula for loss? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So loss is equal to 14, cost price we don't know, selling price 176. Okay. So now cost price is equal to 176 plus 14, we get 190. Okay. Next thing. These the story sums depend on the profit and loss. So let's see the percentage loss and percentage profit. So I think it's the this one. Just see. Yeah. I have skipped the story sum because story sums are not included. If it is any story sum, this is maybe little one, it is not so lengthy. You have to read, and I am sure you definitely you can solve it. And 2-3 story sum I have already taken. Okay. So see here, what is the formula for percentage of profit? So revise it properly. All formula you have to revise. What is cost price? What is selling price? What is profit? Profit, loss. Then formula for profit, formula for loss, percentage profit formula, percentage loss formula. Okay. Percentage of profit is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. Once again say with me, percentage of profit is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. Next, percentage of loss is equal to loss upon cost price multiplied by 100. Get it? Now, cost price and selling price. So cost price is 50, selling price is 60. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. 60 minus 50, 10. Now formula, percentage of profit is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. So what is profit? 10. What is cost price? 50. And what is 100 here? So 15 to the 100 and 10 into 2, 20%. Okay. Next thing. Cost price is 1250, selling price is 1000. Now selling cost price is greater than loss, so loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, that is 1250 minus 1000, we get 250. So percentage of loss is equal to loss upon cost price multiplied by 100, that is 250